What's going on, everybody? Chum Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy and having a great day. So in this video, I want to talk about my CPU mining rigs just a little bit. I already tried to record half of this video prior to this and the audio got screwed up, so I'm doing the entire thing over again. I ended up hanging that 3900X Ryzen 9 CPU mining rig in addition to the other four they're already hanging. To be honest, it's kind of bothering me because it's not as symmetrical, but the plan is to get two more of these right above that and then one more of these guys directly above those two. So hopefully there's enough room there. I think there is. But in addition to that, just want to let you guys know this Ryzen 7 5700G is awful. I was trying to basically find a CPU that was going to be somewhat as good as the 3900X is, but clearly the Ryzen 7 5700G didn't cut it. The G stands for internal graphics. For those of you that don't know, I was in the BIOS trying to shut it off, and I was talking to 56 in Matt Electron Engineering. I ended up throwing it onto this monitor quick, stole the mouse and keyboard from over there, and yeah, we were giving it a shot and we realized we could not shut it off. But if you put a GPU in it, like this GT710 by Asus that I picked up from Micro Center last week, you will display through that instead of the onboard graphics. So it frees up a couple extra things inside the actual CPU, but unfortunately, I haven't really noticed much of a difference. So the CPU mining rig that is highlighted is the Ryzen 7 5700G. The rig right below it is the 2600X Ryzen 5. And as you guys can see, they are pretty close to each other in overall kilohashes. So yeah, the price difference between the 5700G and the 2600X in my brain is not worth the performance of this one. It's just too expensive for not working as well. I'd rather spend the extra $100 and get triple the kilohash for the 3900X. So just food for thought there if you guys are trying to do some sort of CPU mining at home. Also, as you guys can see, I moved around the 3D printing garage quite a bit. I actually created myself a nice little workstation. And quick shout out, Mr. Blue No Mining. Thank you so much for burning these pieces of wood for me with your laser. Amazing. So yeah, this is actually going to be where I am going to be basically packing all of the GPU hangers from now on. But all right, let's get into the main purpose of this video. I kind of just wanted to show you guys what I have for profits. All right, as you can see, right now we have $132.43. and we've earned 14,653 Raptorium. So these rigs, I started that one up there 18 days ago. This one right here, I actually started, I think it was like 14 to 16 days ago. And then these three right here, I actually built 12 days ago. So overall, about 2 weeks. About 2 weeks these things have been running and have made me $132 and 14,653 RTM. Like I said, to be honest, I think it's worth it to do CPU mining, but I mean, I'll leave that up to you guys depending on how much you pay for electric. My electric rate is absolutely disgusting. I actually end up paying 24.5 cents. Probably just made you sick by saying that, but it also makes me sick when I have to pay the bill every month. It's unfortunately the area I'm in, I have to pay a high electric rate, but I still think it's profitable to do things like this, CPU mining and GPU mining. So totally up to you guys. I mean, obviously you've seen the market lately. It's absolutely insane. And on another note, just so you guys know, I did release the tabletop mounts inside the Misfit Mining store. They're actually only going to be available in the black for now. This I actually printed for myself. I may release some other colors at a later date, but not right this moment. And then we also do have the motherboard mount kits that I mount all of these to the wall with. So it comes with 4 tall standoffs, so the corners, 4 screws, and then we have the basically the push pin standoffs to fill the other holes on your motherboard. So you'll get 6 for a couple screws and a couple stickers. You guys will see it. I'll leave a picture right here. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to this weekend. Completely organized this place. Super happy about this whole workstation area. I have my own little, you know, put the order boxes that have been fulfilled right there on the shelf to be brought to the post office. So, hey, everything's working good. But as always, guys, I appreciate you all for watching. Please stay safe, and I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.